I'm going to pull the fire alarm in the hotel because I'm crazy.
Task Force 10 responds to an alarm activation at the Manhattan at Times Square Hotel.
That's it. I'm having a mental breakdown. I'm super duper angry. I will wah very loud. Oh no, it's the fire department. Not this again. Evil yellow horse. How dare you set off the fire alarm at the hotel. That's it. I'm calling the visitors to teach you a lesson. Evil yellow horse. It looks like you have a lots of visitors. Hello. I am A and Fantanic 2003. Evil yellow horse. I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm at the hotel. That was the worst thing you have ever done.
Yeah. I'm Plains Guy 767. Evil yellow horse. How dare you pull the fire alarm at the hotel and caused people to panic.
Hi. I'm Christian Lemmer. Evil yellow horse. I can't believe you pulled down the fire alarm at the hotel.
And you know that you are not supposed to pull fire alarms on any places.
I agree with my husband Boris. You know that you are not supposed to pull fire alarms when there is no fire.
Evil yellow horse, I can't believe you pulled the fire alarm and made us scared.
Evil yellow horse, this is the worst thing you have ever done at the hotel to pull the fire alarm.
Evil yellow horse. How dare you set the fire alarm off at the hotel?
Evil yellow horse, this is the worst thing you have ever done at the hotel to pull fire alarm when there is no fire.
I agree with Robinson. Evil yellow horse. This is very unacceptable. You pulled the fire alarm at the hotel and caused people to panic.
Evil yellow horse. You know that you're not supposed to pull down the fire alarm when there's no.
Evil yellow horse. You are a bad boy in my class. You are no longer in my class.
I agree with Mr. Dallas. You are expelled forever.
Evil yellow horse. You are under arrest for pulling the fire alarm in the hotel.
Evil yellow horse. How dare you escape prison again? Get in the police car right now because you are in deep trouble.
Put me down, Stephen Officer and Jimmy Hernandez. I hate you so much because I want you to die in a fire. I don't want to go back to prison. What do you think I will do next? To be continued on what Evil yellow horse, why do you want police officers to die in a fire? That's not nice. You're going to prison and that's final. Now stop it right now or we'll send you to Parkchester.
And if you keep this up, we will send to Parkchester.
I agree with A&R Fontanic 2003 Boris. You are going to prison and that's final. Now I want you to stop right now, evil yellow horse.